Are you worried about the possibility of monetizing AI-generated content? Many content creators have successfully monetized their channels using AI-generated voiceovers. In this video, I will show you how to create motivational videos that are eligible for monetization. But first, let's take a look at what we will be creating. Attitude is a choice. Happiness is a choice. Optimism is a choice. Kindness is a choice. Giving is a choice. Respect is a choice. Whatever choice you make makes you. Choose wisely. First, we need motivational quotes. I have two methods to do this. The first method is to ask ChatGPT to create 20 best motivational quotes by leaders who change the world. So here are the results that ChatGPT has generated. The second method is to go on Pinterest and search for motivational quotes by leaders who change the world. This will make it easy for you to find websites where you can get your quotes very easily. Now all you have to do is go through them and pick any quote of your choice. It will take you straight to the website where you just need to copy the quote and save it either on your notepad or Google Docs. Now that we're done with the script, let's move on to the next step, which is creating voiceovers. To create our voiceover, we will be using 11 Labs. You can use any other text-to-speech application. For this video, I will be using 11 Labs. First, let's head to the voice library to test the different voices and choose the one that is best suited for this type of content. Okay, I think this is good. I will be going with Josh. You can even add any other voice of your choice by clicking on the Add Voice option, where you will get a list of available voices. Once you are done, click on Finish. Select the voice, which is Josh. Adjust the settings, as I am doing. Now simply copy the script and paste it here. When you're done with that, click on Generate, and in seconds, 11 Labs will generate your voiceover. We have completed the voiceover, and it's time for us to search for suitable images on Google or Pinterest and download them. Now comes the most important step, which is editing. For that, I will be using CapCut app. If you don't have a CapCut app, you can download it. Online, click on Import to add the voiceover file and the images that we downloaded from Google. Once imported, drag the audio file into the timeline along with the background image and the background. Then extend the background image to cover the entire length of the voiceover. Next, click on the text option and select Add Text with the default settings. Copy the quote from Notepad or Google Docs and paste it into the text bar. Adjust the lines to ensure that the quote is displayed properly on the screen. After that, create another text bar to display the name of the person who said the quote. Simply copy the name from your notepad and paste it into the text bar. Then add the image of Roy T. Bennett to the timeline and adjust its size as needed. You can choose to remove the background that came with the image or keep it. I will keep the background. Now move the image to the right, so it doesn't cover the quotes. Once it is done, the next step is to add animation to images and texts to make the video more engaging. To do this, click on the first caption and select the animation type you prefer. It's very easy, you can do it yourself. After we have added animation to the quotes, we will also add animation to the images to keep the video interesting. Click on the first image and select the animation effect you prefer. For this video, I will be using the puzzle effect. Also, add some filters to the video. Click on the filter option and select the humble filter. Make sure to extend the filter to the end of the video. Once that's done, we need to add some music to make it more engaging. I will use music from the YouTube audio library. You can even download copyright-free music from Pixabay Choose and drop it into the timeline. You will need to reduce the volume of the music so that it doesn't overpower the main voiceover. Now after everything is done, click on Export to export the video. Let's preview what we've created. Attitude is a choice. Happiness is a choice. Optimism is a choice. Kindness is a choice. Giving is a choice. Respect is a choice. Whatever choice you make makes you. Choose wisely. So that's it from this video. And if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.